everybody, I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon. Welcome to another edition of Thirsty Thursday. Jamie, what have we got today?
Today we're making the Apple Cider Moscow Mule.
Okay, not that complicated.
Pretty easy to make.
Okay.
First, you're gonna grab some ice, put it in some glasses.
Okay.
Then you're gonna grab 3 ounces of apple cider per drink. So about halfway up
Okay.
the glass.
We're using growers variety, but just about anything would work. Okay, that's about right, eh?
That's it. Then you grab some Butterscotch Schnapps or some caramel vodka.
Whichever you got.
Either whatever you have. We're using Butterscotch Schnapps. Add about an ounce, just a little splash. And then we're gonna use some Krabby's
Ginger beer.
ginger beer. You're gonna do a splash or top it up the rest of the way. Depends how much you like ginger beer.
Okay. All right, there's a lot of sugar going on
A
today.
lot of sugar.
A lot of sweet, not a lot of
This might
acid.
not
to cut.
be, yeah, this is
This might be grandma's drink or
or
something.
like
that.
one. It might be one of these.
Okay.
We're gonna top it and garnish it with a cinnamon stick.
Okay, that's very fall festive.
That is, and an apple wedge.
Okay,
Look at that.
good. Well, it looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a shot. It is sweet,
Sweet, tiki.
but there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it tastes fine, and it's got a lot of caramel, apple, and ginger beer flavor. So if you like those things,
I'll have one of those.
yeah, it's not bad. So,
But it's fall.
yeah, enjoy everyone.
Give it a shot.